Nah, ain't no dark side, welcome to the cold side. Friends don't wanna see me get the cosign. Nah, to get the clothesline, bro, this ain't half time, nah, this is... Yo, what's really good? It's your boy Turks on the mic, here with a brand new channel, what you guys have been asking non-stop for. Friends, family, people on Snapchat, you know who you are, yeah? So, here we are, new channel, Turks' Kitchen. Going to start off with something real simple today, real simple, real easy, that most people like and don't really know how to make. Today we're going to be making hummus. Woohoo! Tasty, delicious, smooth hummus. So, ain't going to be a long video, we're going to make it short, simple, easy. So, first thing you're going to need, whoa, nearly dropped that, table salt, normal salt, some olive oil, you're going to need some of your olive oil. Now, it depends how garlicky you want it. I'm having 2 nice medium-sized cloves of garlic. The lemon juice. If you're lazy like me, get it like that. Or you can get fresh lemons. It is better with fresh lemons, but it stings me hands, so going for the lazy option. Gonna need a tin of chickpeas. Now, make sure your chickpeas are cooked and ready to use. If not, you're gonna have to boil them, drain them out, wash them, and it's just a long process. So make sure you get the cooked chickpeas. And the most important ingredient is tahini. Now, when you grab this, guys, make sure that you shake it and stir it thoroughly because it settles on the bottom. So you want to give it a good stir. But yeah, that is all the ingredients you're gonna need. A pot to pull it in, or a glass bowl to mix it in. And I've just got myself a Russell Howard's. So that does the job. If not, you're gonna have to do it by hand and get your muscles on. But without further ado, let's go. Right, got my bowl, saucepan. I've drained my chickpeas. So go ahead and stick them in. Lovely. Then you've got your garlic, just chop it up into little bits. If you haven't got it, then you might want to chop them a bit finer than that. Bomb them in just like that. Get your tahini. I'll open this bad boy up. You get a spoon. A lovely spoon. Just give this a proper mix before you do it, because it does settle on the bottom sometimes. And then what you want is 6 spoonfuls. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the one more, very nice, 6. Wash. Now your tahini's in there. Put that to the side. You want a little bit of salt next. Just normal table salt. Not too much, just, I don't know, about that. We're gonna need some olive oil. Let's open this bad boy up. I'm gonna put quite a bit of olive oil in. I don't know how to measure it, so I'm just gonna try and pour it in. About that much. I don't know, about 4 tablespoons maybe, 5. I'd say about 4 to start off with. Then your lemon juice, give it a good shake before you put it in. You want a good squirt of lemon juice as well, so about that. Now you've got all of that in your bowl. If you haven't got a whisk, then you're gonna have to get your muscle on. I feel sorry for you, but that's what it's gonna look like. Big bowl of mess. Let's go. Whew, it's a beast. see, even just a couple of whisks in that, it's already going to like the hummus sort of texture you want. If it looks a bit dry, then just add a bit more olive oil or lemon juice. I think I need a little bit more olive oil, to be fair. And then we carry on giving that a whisk. Oh, I can smell it though, it smells amazing. Get a spoon and give that a little stir. A little taster test. I think we're near enough there, just needs a bit more of a whisk, I reckon. Yeah, a bit more of a whisk. Maybe a bit more lemon juice. Just a little bit. But I reckon we're near enough there. Just now a little. Ho ho! There we go. And that is. Just put that on the side. I'm going to clear that up in a sec. And there you have your very own homemade hummus. Just give it a little. Just give it a little taste. There you go, guys. That is how you make some bang bang hummus. Look at that. If it needs anything, oh, that's perfect. Honestly, I'll eat that like that. But if it needs anything, a bit more lemon, a little bit more salt, or olive oil, just add it in, give it another whisk. One of the big whisks is better, to be fair, but honestly, you can't go wrong. Let me just flip that camera around so I show you guys Christmas tree still up. Look at that. Just get your eyeballs on that. Hold the phone, hold the phone. Oh. Perfect, bang bang hummus. So guys, if you liked the video, you want to see more of your boy Turks in the kitchen, you know what you got to do, drop a like, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the notifications below if you have any questions. Don't be shy to obviously get to me. And yeah, that is it. Your bang bang hummus. Minutes, takes minutes to do. So yeah, peace, to the next one. Sweet.